Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have prepared one SQL query for you, and I got it input from the Consults YouTube team. Thank you very much, Ankit. So this is related to the World Cup. So in this case, you can see this is some sample table, and these are the total number of matches. These are the records, and the point of interest is this table. This is a scorecard, and this is like the total teams, how many match they played, how many win, loss, draw, and total points. So this is a point of interest for this specific activities in SQL. So let us start it. So first of all, we will create on table. So our table got created. That is a ICC World Cup. So I will put it select star from it. So you can see there are total 13 matches played, and there are two groups, team A1, team 1, team 2, and second is the team winner. So now we will make a scorecard, how many teams play, total match, total win, and draw and points. Okay, so first of all, let us start with team 1 and team 2 union. So I will put a select, and from which I want to filter the data, that is my ICC table. Okay, so I will put it here, select team 1 as team, then winner from ICC World Cup, then union on. The same thing I will do with team 2. So purpose is how I need to find out how many unique teams, how many teams are there with their overall frequency. So let me execute this query. So here you can see the total number of teams have been listed down here. Now my first target has been completed. Now my second target is I will use a city table with with the total matches played as. So this is my city table. Now out of this ICC table, what I want to get, this table, this is a team and this is a winner. So here what I will do, I will first use a query called select team, then I will put count star total matches. So it will give me the total matches. Then I will put case statement, case when winner is equal to team, winner is equal to team, then 1 else 0 and. Okay, I will put it here wins. Then next thing is there is also one incident called draw. So I will also put it as a draw as well. Case when winner is equal to draw, then 1 else 0 and draw. Great. So you can see here I have put the aggregation condition here, count and sum. So I will need to put some condition, select this from this table. Okay, then group by team. Okay, yeah, group by team. So I have put this condition. Now let me execute this query. So incorrect syntax near group by RT. Yeah. So after closing this parenthesis, I need to give some random name. So I have given it. Now I will execute this query. Yeah. So in this case, you can see that I get total team numbers. So that is 1 to 10, total 10 teams, total matches, total wins, and total draw. Now I also want to put how I also want to put the total team who lost the matches and the points. If our team wins, then 2 points, otherwise 0. And if it is a draw, then it is a 1 point. Yeah. So this is my query. So from this table, what I will do, I will use this as a CT. Okay. So this is with total match played as a, this will become my CT, and I put it select team, then this is a team. Yeah, now I will use a colons method. So colons is nothing. If your team is reported null, then it should give me at least a 0. Okay, so I will put is total matches 0. Then I will give the same name. Next, I need to give first from condition. So from I will put it total match played. Okay, so at least it will give me correct syntax. So let me first execute whether it is playing, it is showing me the correct or not. Yeah, so okay, now this condition seems to be true. Let me run this query with these two statements. Yeah, now it seems it is correct. So from this about table, this is a summary table which we got it. Now we want to add the loose and points as well. Okay, so we'll put it here, columns. Yeah, columns, then total match and wins 0. Then next thing is I just want to put it as a lose as well. So columns, total matches minus wins minus draw. Okay, so it will show me the total loss. How many matches does any team loss? So I will put it loss. Then colon, normally draw, DRAW, draw from match play. Now I will run these all queries. So here you can see I got the clue as well. Total teams, total matches, wins, loss and draw. Here you can see there is in India there are 4 matches, 3 matches won, 1 draw. So whatever the records are there, we have created the summary table. Now the final thing, I just want to add the points. So the condition for the points is if it is a win then 2 points, if it is a draw then 1 point. Okay, so let me add the last column for points. So points, what I need to do, I need to make wins multiply by 2, means if it wins then 2 plus draw as a points. Okay, so this is my condition, and let me run this query again. So great, this query makes a logical sense to me, and now I will sort it by total matches. So let me sort it by total matches, ordered by total matches, descending order. Okay, so I have prepared this query. Now I will run this query and I will see whether it makes logical sense or not. Oh, yeah. So in this case, you can see India has India has played total 4 match, 3 win, 0 loss, 1 draw, and 0.7. 3 into 2 6 and plus 1 7. Yeah. So it makes a logical sense. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching this video.